Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. Back when I first began to play, the first real guitar that I owned was a 1965 Fender Mustang. I have been through so many guitars since then that I don't even know what became of that guitar. So recently, when I saw the new Fender Squire Bullet Mustang dual humbucker guitar online at a reduced price, I decided to pull the trigger on it. It has arrived, so let's check it out. Actually, this is a very nice looking guitar for the price I paid. But what will happen when I plug it in? Let's find out. Okay, now this is straight out of the box. Let's tune it up. Let's get it tuned up. Okay, now that we have it somewhat in tune, let's check it out. This guitar is nice looking. It's a nice looking guitar. The body is not as thick as my old Mustang, the thinner body there. Okay, pickup selector switch, 3-position, neck, middle, bridge, controls, let's see, tone control and volume control, working there quiet. Okay, neck is has a satin finish. It feels pretty good. Now, I'm used to a guitar in this price range having frets sticking out on the ends, and on the top here, these frets are smooth. This is pretty smooth. On the bottom, I feel a little bit of the frets sticking out on the bottom, but that's typical of guitars in this price range. So I'll probably have to do a little work on that. I haven't done any setup whatsoever, so I'm going to play it just like it is. See how I like it. Now the strings are probably not the best strings, so I'm going to be changing the strings out, but we're going to go with the strings that came with the guitar. First, let's check out the neck pickup with some open chords. The action is pretty low, easy to press down. That sound all the way up the neck. Open G, E. And I just plugged it straight into my amp. Didn't do any tweaking on the controls or anything. So the treble, I got the treble set at about 7. The mids are set at 4. The bass is set at about 4, and got a little bit of reverb. I like reverb. Okay. Alright, let's try it in the middle position. This is both pickups on. Easy to pick. All right, bridge pickup. Now this sound reminds me a little bit of my telly. Alright, now let's hear what it sounds like with a little overdrive. Now this is the neck pickup with overdrive. Okay, the middle pickup. Now I have to tell you, now my opinion is that this is a decent guitar, especially in the price range that it's in. I am going to be using this in tutorials because I can just feel it. Once I get the strings changed on this thing and get it set to the way I like it, I'm going to be playing this one quite a bit. Well, alright my friends, this is my Fender Squire Bullet Mustang. You'll be seeing this one again.